This is Darius from therabbitpad.com, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can separate names in a Google spreadsheet. Please make sure you click that subscribe button and that notification bell so that you can be notified when I publish videos in the future. Suppose I have a spreadsheet with a list of names separated by a comma, and that I want the names to appear in separate cells. So I want to separate the names. This is how you do that. You highlight the cells where the names are that you want to separate, and then you click on Data, and then scroll down until you see Split Text to Columns. When you click on that, notice that it has automatically separated the names because it was able to detect what you wanted it to do automatically. But let's suppose you wanted things to be separated differently. What if you wanted it to be separated by a space? When you click space, notice that the commas stay there and the first names still appear in column B. But obviously we won't want the commas to be there, so we're going to go ahead and go with the comma as the separator, or keeping it set to detect automatically. And when you do that, the names are separated. You can also do the same thing if you have the names written first name, last name without a comma. Again, like you did before, you highlight the cells that you want to change, click Data, then click Split Text to Columns. And then when you do that, notice that the automatic detection didn't really work. So you will actually need to click on this and then click Separate by Space. And when you do that, just like in the first sheet, the names are now separated. So you have the first names in one column and the last names in another column. So this video shows you how to separate names in Google Sheets. If you found this video helpful, please click that like button and subscribe to this channel to view more helpful videos in the future. Also, please be sure to visit my website at therabbitpad.com.